Hey everybody, Jillian here for Illustrated Faith, and today I have a brand new Bible journaling process video for you. Today I'm going to be working on gratitude documented in my interleaved journaling Bible, and we're on day 4. So I've got my pocket TN here, and I'm going to flip to day 4, self-control. The prompt has us in Luke 22:40, but I'm going to journal in 2 Timothy, and I'm going to take some time to write out my journaling here, and then I'll come over here into my Bible with some supplies I've pulled. So I'll just run through these really quick. I've got the Falfetti paper pieces from the Gratitude Documented kit, the black and white florals that came out with the Wildflower Devotional kit, the Gratitude Documented stamp set, the new Quinny Alpha from Elaine Davis. These are puffy alpha stickers from Pinkfresh Studio. I thought they were a good color match for the Gratitude Documented kit. A little tag from the Maggie Holmes Heritage Collection, the Gratitude Documented washi tapes, so the 2 florals, black and white, and then this tone on tone. Some more Falfetti pieces. These are the digital florals from the Gratitude Documented kit that I printed on clear sticker paper. A jumbo paper clip, and then this really fun alpha stencil that was just released in the Illustrated Faith shop. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, so let's go ahead and get started. I do want to start off by mentioning that you do not need all of these things to participate in Gratitude Documented. The Gratitude Documented prompt list is available in the Illustrated Faith Print and Pray shop for free. We'll go ahead and link that down in the video description for you so that you can follow along if you'd like to. So I am going to just start fussy cutting some of these florals out. I have an idea to layer the silhouette of this gal with these beautiful florals, that pink label from the Word Nerd devotional kit, and then some of those like die cut paper pieces. Here I'm trying to figure out which orientation is best, and I think I'm going to use it to build part of my title on. So I'm going to layer that with a black heart, and then use some of these black and white sketchy florals from the Illustrated Faith shop. I'm going to layer one behind there, but I kind of forget where all my pieces went when I went to go put them back down, so I ended up switching it out for another one. I used my tiny attacher to staple those together, and then I'm going to use this stencil with some distress ink and a mini blending tool. So I'm going to ink this guy up, and then in a circular motion work through work the blending tool over the lines. Now, this is the first time I had ever used this one, and I should have taped it down because the stripes moved a lot, but it's totally okay. I thought this would be a fun place to house my journaling, so I'm gonna I'll layer my florals and tag and label and stuff like that on top of it. So I'm just using my Illustrated Faith tape runner to get each one of these down. So cute. These are just gorgeous pieces. Then I'm using the new Quinny Alpha from Elaine to stamp out the first part of my title, which is going to be self-control. And then I'm going to use these beautiful pink puffy scripted alpha stickers to get out the next part of my title. I line them up across the top of my Bible mat, so it's kind of easy to determine where they'll look best. And I did fidget with them a little bit because it's supposed to look like script. I ended up covering the word self that's on the label, but that's okay, I know what it says. And then I'm taking the stamp set from the Gratitude Documented kit and stamping a few sentiments around. I used this thankful piece of wordfetti that's included in the Gratitude Documented toolbox from Jill. I've really enjoyed using those for each day. And then I'm just going to jot down a quick bit of gratitude. That's that set from Jill on the top there. I have a bin full of print and pray things that coordinate with the Gratitude Documented pieces. So I've been loving using this patterned paper from Mandy Ford, so I punched a tab out of there, and I'm going to layer it with another black and white sketchy floral here on the side. Then I'll go in with my date stamp, and then one more little sentiment stamp by my tab. I'm using the Illustrated Faith watercolors to get some black paint splatters down on all of this gorgeous white space. I love it. And then I'm just going to put a piece of Wordfetti on the tab, staple that in place with my tiny attacher so it doesn't go anywhere, and that is going to do it. So I've got a finished look at my page here. We would love to have you guys join us for Gratitude Documented. I've put all the links down in the video description below so that you can go ahead and do that. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.